Today we are going to use the cucumber pickle and to make oi muchim. It has a taste of kimchi, so if you ran out of kimchi or if you wanna have another kimchi kind of dish for your meal, this is a kind of a perfect thing to serve and make. So these are just baby cucumber pickles. So I'm going to pick like 4 of them. Cut them into the pieces that is easy to eat. So with this, I probably cut it into the 5 pieces, like about 3 or 4 millimeters, and this size. Okay, and we are going to make the sauce. So this is an easy mix. I just cut some green onions, probably like 1 tablespoon full. I will have half a teaspoon of chopped garlic. This is a garlic that you can get it in any local market. Half a teaspoon of gochujang, Korean chili pepper powder, and then 1 tablespoon of gochujang. The 1 tablespoon of honey. So I use usually like a 1-to-1 ratio of honey and gochujang. I'm going to mix this up. Okay, this is our sauce. So if you just want like a nice cucumber dish and that's enough for you, you can just mix this sauce to this pickle and mix it up, and then it'll be really nice, tasteful cucumber dish. But if I'm going to add one more, which is baby octopus. First, I'm going to boil the water with a little bit of the ginger powder in. The reason that I'm using ginger powder is because it's seafood. I think usually when I use seafood, I use ginger powder to take out the fish smell in the seafood. You can also use mirin, which is the alcohol that you use for the cooking. But today I'm going to just use ginger powder. My water already started to boil. I'm going to put these baby octopuses and then leave it about like 3.5 minutes to get cooked. Okay, so it's about done, and I only needed this baby octopus, so I'm going to take away water. I'm cooling it down in this cold water. This is ice cold water that I prepared before. So it's taking away the heat. So once it's cooled down, just throw away the water. Okay. So we are going to cut. It'll be a good size to be compared, and then it's about the same size because you can eat together like this. Now we just need to mix it up with the sauce and this. And as you may be familiar, the Korean dishes, Korean cooking involves a lot of like touching, mixing with by hands. So I always have this. This is from Korean market, or I think it's because it's really easy to make this kind of dishes. So I'm going to put. Okay, I'm putting water. Looks so good. So let's serve it. Look how beautiful it looks like with our kimchi as a banchan or just as appetizer. It's really. Hope you enjoy and we'll see you next video. Bye.